Hey guys, I wanted to share with you something that Jared and I have been using to help us combat dandruff. We both have dark hair, so dandruff, especially for us, is annoying because not only does it flake everywhere, but it shows up pretty easily for us, which is just not fun. So we use Young Living's Kid Sense shampoo, which is awesome, and it's a shampoo conditioner in one, which I really like. It does great on our hair in general, but we found some oils that we combine with it to give us that extra punch we need to just give our scalp some extra TLC. So what we like to do is we dilute our shampoo. So we will use 1/3 shampoo, like we'll dump out 2/3, leave 1/3 in the bottle. And then I add these oils to it. So the first oil I add is frankincense, and you'll see I use 5 drops of every oil just to keep it simple. So 5 drops of frankincense. Frankincense is amazing for a lot of different things, but 2 things that it really promotes for your body is hair and skin health. So it's perfect for adding to shampoo for any reason. We also add 5 drops of cedar wood. This one is known for maintaining healthy hair and also promoting hair growth if that's something you're looking for, which isn't what we want necessarily, but it just really does help our scalps maintain a healthy moisture level, I guess. And then I also add 5 drops of lavender. Again, similar to frankincense, lavender is good for a lot. It's really good for your skin and hair. It's done great things for ours. I like to use it for all sorts of skin things, not just on my head, but it's been fantastic in this shampoo. And then the last oil that we add to it is tea tree. And just like the others, it's good for your hair and your skin. So all of these together are just an awesome little powerhouse that helps maintain healthy hair and skin on your head. So like I said, we add that to 1/3 of the shampoo, and then we top it off with water and shake it up to mix it all together, and that'll last us a good while in the shower. And it also allows us to make 1 bottle of shampoo last 3 times longer. So that's really awesome. And we get this on our loyalty program order every few months. Usually lasts us a good 3-4 months, something like that. So we'll get that through our loyalty program. We get a customizable box every month from Young Living. We can change the date for when we want it to ship. We get a percentage back on what we spend, and we also get free oils and products every month depending on how much we spend. And we have gotten some of these free: frankincense, cedar wood, lavender, and tea tree. Actually, all of them we've gotten free over the last couple of years through our loyalty program, Essential Rewards. So it's totally worth getting on that program when this is the lifestyle that you have, or if you're looking to get into the lifestyle and switch out toxic things from your homes, because so many of our personal care products that are on the market today have things in them that are just not good for us. Parabens, phthalates, fragrance. Just do some research on what those really are and what they can do to your body. But the biggest thing that we switched out for was to get rid of the things that were interrupting my endocrine system. And Young Living's products don't have any of those nasty toxins that disrupt fertility and hormone balance and all the things. So I hope this is helpful. And if you guys need anything, let me know.